Hello, in this video we'll talk about broadcasting. Broadcasting is a very powerful mechanism that allows Numpy to work with arrays of different shapes when performing arithmetic operations. Let's see with an example, it will make it more clearer. So for example, here we have an array, x, and what we want to do is we want to add 101 to it. Now because both the arrays are not the same shape, we don't know how it will work. So the old school thought is to do something like this. What we do is for I in range 4, right, yi colon equal to xi comma colon plus v. Let's break this. What is happening? So first of all, y np.empty like x will create a empty matrix with the same shape as x. Let me print y. Okay, and then things will be more clearer. So I'm printing y. Okay. So what it has done is it has just created an empty matrix. Okay. With the same shape as x, right? And I've just printed, right? This thing, some random values. Now what we're doing is for I in range 4 means for I in from 0 to 3. Watch these two lines. What we are doing is xi colon. So xi when I is 0, x of 0, and this colon when the start and end is not there implies that all the columns have to be taken. In short, xi comma colon actually means taking the ith row in from x. So when x is 0, this is the row 1, 2, 3, right? In that we are adding 101. Okay, so far so good. What we are then doing is we are taking this y, and for y ith row, will get replaced. So in effect, what's happening is each of these rows, this is y, will get replaced by this addition, right? So just nothing complex, but we are just using the Numpy operations. This is still not using broadcasting. Right, this is an old way. If you have to add to a matrix to another matrix, right? Now this can actually become slow because if x is big, there's a lot of this addition can be very costly and all, right? What Numpy does, is that with the principle of broadcasting, you just have to do it just like normal addition. So you just say x plus v, right? And because of the rules of broadcasting, what it is doing, it is actually taking a smaller array and adapting it to the bigger array, which means what it is doing is, it will actually so x is actually has a shape of 4 by 3, right, and v has a shape of 3. When you actually add them, because of broadcasting rules, v will be kind of transformed to 4, 3, where copies of these lines would be made. So in a sense, you are actually going to take 101, 101, make a copy, 4 copies and stack it, and then do a addition, right? So this automatically happens. There are certain rules which we'll see in much detail. But what I want you to appreciate is that it just takes the resemblance of normal addition, whereas Numpy framework takes the whole issue of kind of making it compatible with the larger array happens automatically. So this becomes very powerful in a lot of places, which we'll see in more detail. Thank you.